Welcome! Today I am with Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite, and today I will show you how you can create folders on your home screen, for example like this one, to organize your icons. So as you can see here we got the mess, and if you want to organize the icons, just click hold and then drag icon for another one, just like that, click hold, put it. As you can see we can put here a very game that we have in the phone. For example, we'll put here 6 games, and we can also rename the folder, type games, click here, and as you can see the folder was created, and if you want to enter and find the game, just make it like that. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.